Okay, here's our video for our math homework due March 28th. We are describing the attributes of the cube. Edges are where the two faces come together. So I have 1 here, 2 here, 3, 4 going around. Then on top I have 5, 6, 7, 8. Then on bottom I have 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have 12 edges. For faces, I have this one in the front that's pointing to me, this one in the back, on the side, the back, and this other side, so that's 4. Top is 5, bottom is 6. Vertices are where the two edges come together. So we have 4 here, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 12 edges, 6 faces, and 8 vertices. What type of angle is made by the two lines below intersecting? This is an angle that is less than 90 degrees, so it is called acute. 3 types of lines. We have parallel. Parallel lines are lines that never meet. We have intersecting. Lines that do meet, not necessarily at a particular angle. And then perpendicular lines are intersecting lines that form a right angle, which also answers our next question. Perpendicular lines meet to form a 90-degree or right angle. Which of the following figures has exactly one pair of parallel sides? A rhombus is a 4-sided figure that has all equal sides. An example of a rhombus would be a square, but it has, here's one pair, and here's another pair. So it actually has 2 pair of parallel sides, so that is incorrect. A rectangle, like a square, has 2 pairs of parallel sides, so that's not right. A cone doesn't really have any parallel sides. And a trapezoid that looks like this has a pair of parallel sides, and these lines are intersecting lines if we extend them. So this has only one pair of parallel sides. Number 6, at the figure below, 2 lines that intersect but not perpendicular. This line intersects, but it does not intersect at a 90-degree angle. So line D intersects line B, but is not perpendicular. 2 lines that are parallel, parallel means they never meet, that would be line A and line B. 2 lines that are perpendicular, that is where I have intersecting lines and they intersect at a 90-degree angle. So there are actually 2 pairs. You have C and A or C and B. So either one of those answers would be correct. Trace a right angle in red. And as I'm looking around, looking for red, I need a blue and a purple. Anna, would you get me a blue and a purple marker, please? Trace a right angle in red. Here is a right angle. There's also one here, 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 thank you, here, here, and here. So there are actually 8 right angles that you could trace there. Trace an obtuse angle in blue. Well, there's also several obtuse angles. There's one here. There's one here, there's one here, and there's one here. Any of those would be correct. And then purple, we want an acute angle. That's going to be here, 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 and here. All right. And then number 7, we have a table. Each number in set A is related in the same way to the number below it in set B. And this week, the rule of my table is we are dividing by 7. So if the number in set A is 56, how would you determine the number in set B? 56 divided by 7 equals 8. Come to the front of your paper and say, I'm a marvelous mathematician. And I will give you tickets for being a marvelous mathematician.